I'm lifestyle expert Bahar Tiktashian, and today we're talking all about last-minute gift ideas. I think the holidays are the perfect time of year to gift those special ladies in your life a really fabulous fragrance. And Elizabeth Taylor White Diamonds is glamorous, it's sensual, and it just screams holiday. So this really smells like a bouquet of flowers in a bottle. It's got notes of Amazon lily, Egyptian tuberose, narcisse, and jasmine. I also like the fact that it's the gift that gives back. A portion of sales from all of her fragrances do benefit the Elizabeth Taylor AIDS Foundation. You can go to etaf.org for more info on that. And to purchase White Diamonds, visit Macy's.com or Macy's stores. It's $69. Now, another great gift for women is from Braun. This is a Silk Appeal 9 Senso Smart. Now, this happens to be the world's first smart epilator, and it has new Senso Smart technology. That means it actually epilates with optimal pressure, and it's going to really remove more hair in one stroke. So that means you're getting up to 4 weeks of smooth skin. I love the fact that it really saves you time, it's convenient, it's the #1 epilator brand in the world. It's cordless, 100% waterproof, use it in the bath or shower. It also comes with a facial cap, a bikini trimmer. It's $149.99 at Amazon.com. Through the end of December 31st, you can actually save $20 off thanks to a really wonderful clippable coupon available right on Amazon. The next gift is great for the men on your list. This is from Braun. It's the Multi-Grooming Kit 3060. This is a great 8-in-1 head-to-toe kit. So it'll, again, help to style your beard, it'll clip your hair, it'll help to groom any body hair that you may have. Braun.com has more details. You can get this at Amazon, Target, Walmart stores, and a holiday mail-in rebate is available, $5 off through the end of December. Go to us.braun.com/rebate. Finally, for those of you who are looking for a one-stop shop for those last days of the holiday season, Kohls has you covered. They've got everything from stocking stuffers to splurge-worthy items. They've got great lip balm sets from Burt's Bees. I love these. They've got sheet masks that are less than $10. Really wonderful fizzy bubble bath bombs for $6 as well. If you've got kids that you need to get gifts for, look no further. They've got Lego sets, LOL surprise puzzles, and Hatchimals, all under $10. Let's talk a little bit about hostess gifts, cozy gifts. They have blankets, flannel PJs, matching family jammies, really great plush robes by Sonoma for $50, men's flannel pants by Croft & Barrow for $20. And for the beauty mavens out there, Philosophy bath sets are $55. Elsie Lauren Conrad is a fantastic accessory line, exclusively sold at Kohls as well. And if you want to splurge, the techie out there in your life will love the Canon printer. It actually prints photos straight from your phone, and that is $129.99. So there you have it, some really wonderful gifts for every single person on your list this holiday season.